Flutter Tutorial is a comprehensive Android application designed to help developers learn and master Flutter, a popular open-source UI software development toolkit created by Google. This app serves as an educational resource, providing users with practical guidance on building visually appealing and performant applications for mobile, web, and desktop platforms using Flutter and Dart programming language. Inside the Flutter Tutorial app, users typically find a wide range of resources, including step-by-step guides, video tutorials, sample projects, and coding challenges that cover various aspects of Flutter development. The tutorials often encompass essential topics such as widgets, state management, animation, and RESTful API integration, catering to beginners as well as more advanced developers looking to deepen their knowledge. The app is usually structured to offer a user-friendly experience, allowing learners to navigate through different topics at their own pace. Many Flutter tutorial applications also provide quizzes and interactive exercises to reinforce learning and assess understanding of the material.